Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Do a patch test 24 hours before using the vitamin C mask sheet to check sensitivity on the inner arm or behind the ear, and note any redness or burning. Cleanse face with a gentle cleanser and pat dry before application so the serum can penetrate evenly without oils blocking absorption. Avoid exfoliation 48 hours before using the sheet to reduce risk of irritation, and skip retinoids or strong actives the day before to keep barrier integrity intact. Apply the mask sheet for 10-20 minutes as directed by the product, and set a timer so you do not leave potent vitamin C on longer than recommended. Align cutouts to eyes, nose, mouth, and smooth for full contact, then relax and avoid talking or stretching the fabric during wear. After removal, use fingertips to press serum into skin after removal, gently patting excess into cheeks, forehead, and neck rather than rubbing, so serum absorbs without disrupting the skin surface. Use a vitamin C mask sheet with 10-20% ascorbic acid no more than 2-3 times per week to boost radiance without overwhelming the skin barrier. Frequency depends on tolerance and product instructions. Follow with a moisturizer and SPF 30+ in the morning because vitamin C increases sun sensitivity and topical protection, prevents photooxidation and pigment issues. If irritation occurs, stop use and consult a skin professional, and avoid mixing with strong acids or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.